Hello everybody. I just wanted to take a moment and to talk about the differences between the three type shots that seem to be the most popular, and that is Hell, Demons, and Blizzard. A lot of people have bad rep for Blizzard, but I think it's because they honestly don't know any better. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take the time, show you the difference between all of them. They all have 80 hit at the moment. So this is best case scenario on a cast. So let's give it a go. So I'll show you the three of them that I'm talking about. We've got Blizzard, we got Hell, and we got Demons. So we're going to start off, I'm going to show you Blizzard first. So as you can tell, it does a really good job freezing. I can basically freeze lock enemies. Not sure why this weapon is not more popular, because as you can tell, I really don't have to work for it. Now in episode 2, of course, you're going to run into some issues, not many, but as you can tell, it's completely ridiculous how well it freezes. Alright, I think that kind of shows it. So while we're at it, why not try some Hell? Hell does a great job as well. So Hell is a instant kill attack. You hear all the time, you hear reduced and on-reduced. Well, in the type shots, what the beauty is, it is on-reduced. So I get the full Hell attack. But as you can tell, kind of works when it wants to. Which is something I'm not a huge fan of. So this is better against certain enemies. I wouldn't recommend it using it against everything, because it's just going to miss, miss, miss. Now if I freeze it, it gives me a much higher chance to hit it. So, the key is freeze and Hell. So next I'm going to show you Demons. Watch their health just chunk. So Demons is really useful in episode 2 on Tower, because a lot of those enemies are unaffected by attributes. Obviously it's best to be a fleshy when using Demons. But yeah, I mean, as you can tell, these type shots are completely worth it. I would say they're a vital piece of kit as a ranger. So anytime you see that Triforce looking symbol, that's your Demons proccing. As you can tell, every time that hits, it's just wiping their health. You'll still have to do a final hit to kill them. Anyways guys, I'll finish it up with a Blizzard here, but as you can tell, anybody who says Blizzard type shot is crap, I don't know what they're talking about. But anyways, that's the three types of shots. You want to keep your Hell to your native enemies, certainly not high dark resistance. Demons, really useful for episode 2 or high HP enemies. And your Blizzard, yeah man, it's just friggin' wicked. You know what? Sure, Frozen Shooter does a better job against a single target if you need to freeze it. But if you're just doing some crowd control, you can't beat the Blizzard type shot. Hope that helps everybody make their decisions. In my opinion, if you're going to go in order, I would go Hell type shot, Demon type shot, and then Blizzard to finish it off. Alright everybody, that's all I got for now. Hopefully that helps you. Have a great day.